Hello guys, in our previous video we created a malicious Python service and replaced it with the legitimate one. And once the system has started, we verified that we got a system or admin privilege. Now in this video, we're gonna see how we can take an advantage and create a new admin account and then jump from the standard user to the admin account. Okay, so what I have changed on the coding part was adding the following section to the previous code, which in summary will create a new admin account once the service gets started. So keep in mind that I have added the following section under the start function. So here we define the new username called hacked and the group that it belongs to, which is administrators group. Next, we create a user and a group information profile in a dictionary format. Then inside the dictionary, we specify some values like the password or the privilege or the home directory, etc. Finally, we create the new admin account and add it as a group member to administrators group. And in case any exception happened during the creation phase, we will simply skip it. Now before exporting the code into exe and test, let's quickly verify the usernames that we got on the machine. So on the CMD, I'm gonna type net users and it shows that we got Hussam and non-admin as well as the guest. Currently we are logged into non-admin account. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the exe exporting here. So let me copy the script into our 2exe folder and I will quickly rename it to sci access. Okay, so this is our setup file. Do a quick run. Okay, so right now let me just copy the exported exe file to replace our vulnerable software here. So I will do just a simple paste. Okay, so at this point, if everything is working fine, then after a restart, we should see a new admin account called hacked. So let's go for the restart. Okay, so I'm gonna log in into non-admin account. Alright, so let's verify again and I will fire up the CMD. Now if we type net users, okay, look at that. We got a new username called hacked. And if we type net users hacked, okay, at the bottom we can see that we are belong to the administrators group. Wonderful. So at this point, once we got an admin privilege, we can do whatever we want. So let's go evil and clear the Windows event logs. So I'm gonna log in with the hacked admin account. And by the way, the password for that account is Python, lowercase. Okay, so this is the event viewer and I will go for Windows logs, then security and do right click, then clear logs. and let's do the same for the application logs. Okay, I hope that this video has been informative for you, and thanks for watching.